Let's embark on a serene drive through these beautiful woods. Surrounded by towering trees and the soft sound of nature, the view is simply breathtaking. And up ahead, look at the stunning waterfall. The cascading water is like nature's own masterpiece, sparkling in the evening light. We are heading to explore a farm today. Meet the gorgeous horses, gentle giants with so much charm. They're enjoying the calm evening, grazing and relaxing under the wide open sky. Aren't they cute? This one's looking right at us. Things are getting lively here. These playful goats are having a little fun with the horses. It's always entertaining to watch them interact. Sometimes cheeky, sometimes sweet, but always full of life. Life among these wonderful animals is a constant mix of joy, fun, and tranquility. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this little slice of farm life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Look at them. And here's the peaceful part of the farm.